Today I'll be making a delicious mock apple pie using no apples. The ingredients you will need is 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 30 Ritz crackers, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 ready-made pie crust, and 2 tablespoons of butter. First, we are going to make our syrup. In a saucepan, combine the water, sugar, and cream of tartar and bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the sugar is dissolved and the mixture is nice and syrupy. Now, break or cut the Ritz crackers into quarters and add them to the syrup. Stir them in gently so they get coated and softened. This is where the magic happens. The crackers will start to resemble the texture of cooked apples. Add in the cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice to give that classic apple pie flavor. Stir everything together and let it cook for a minute or so. While you are doing this, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After you have finished stirring for another minute, pour the cracker mixture into your pie crust. Dot the top with small pieces of butter to give it a rich flavor as it bakes. If you have a top crust, place it in over the filling and crimp the edges to seal. Cut a few slits in the top to let your steam escape and bake for about 30 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. After 30 minutes, there you have it, a delicious mock apple pie.
Quite exquisite, I must say. Quite a delectable dish here. No apples in it at all, but it's nice and savory. With the taste of apples, I can taste the brown sugar in there too. Nice touch, I'd say.
There's no brown sugar.
Shut up! The crust could be a bit crunchy, I'd say, a bit more flaky. It was a bit soft, but overall, I think it's a good dish.
Is it good?
It's so good.
The chemistry behind making this delicious mock apple pie is all about how the ingredients interact with each other. When you boil the Ritz crackers in a sugar syrup with cream of tartar, a couple of things happen. The water hydrates the crackers, making them soft and pliable. The cream of tartar, which is potassium bitrate, helps break down the sugar, which is sucrose, into glucose and fructose, which are simpler sugars. This process is called hydrolysis. The breakdown of sugars and the addition of spices like cinnamon and nutmeg create a flavorful profile similar to apples. Essentially, you're using chemistry to mimic the texture and taste of cooked apples. Thank you for tuning in. Please be sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know every time I upload.